Hello everyone, we are going to be working with a new software called mBot Simulator. What is an mBot Simulator? An mBot Simulator is a software tool that allows users to program and test an mBot robot virtually before using it in the real world. I'm going to click on mine so you can launch yours. Click on play, maximize my tab, it's loading. I'm going to click on program with mBlock. Here we can see our virtual environment. Our robot is in a room setting. Here we have on the left hand side, we have the coding environment, and on the right hand side, we have the virtual environment. So we can see different blocks, the motion block, looks block, sound, pen, event control, operators, robots, etc. So these blocks, when we program them, this is what the robot is going to respond to, right? Our objective today is to make our robot move using our arrow keys on our keyboard. We have, as human beings, we have directions. We can move forward, we can move backward, we can move to the left, we can also move to the right. So this is what we are going to use our arrow keys to achieve today. The first thing we do is to go to our events block, then click on let's maximize this. Then we click on when space key is pressed. When space key is pressed. I'm going to click on this drop down menu. You can see different directions. We can see different keys rather. The up arrow, down arrow, right arrow, letters and numbers. I'm going to click on the up arrow key. So the up arrow is going to represent our forward movement, the down arrow will represent the backward movement, the left arrow will represent the left movement, and the right arrow key will represent the right movement. When up arrow key is pressed, I want the robot to move at a certain speed. So I'm going to bring out my run forward block at speed 0. So we want the robot to move at, let's say, speed 100. We can also type it in manually, right? After the forward, let's program for backward. We go to our events, bring out when space key is pressed, right? From the drop down menu, we select our down arrow, go back to our robots block, run forward at speed 100. From the drop down menu, we change it to run backward at speed 100. So we've done for the forward and for the backward. We want to do for right and left now. We go to our events palette. When space key is pressed, from the drop down menu again, right arrow, our robot palette, drop down menu, turn right at speed 100. Go back to our events, when left arrow, robots should turn left at speed 100. So we're done with this. For every press, there's a release. So when we press an arrow key, when we remove our hand from it, that means we've released the key, right? So we also want a program for the releasing of keys. So we go to our events block, bring out when space key is released. Let's put it side by side. From the drop down menu, up arrow, the robot should run forward at speed 0 rather. Now let's do for the down arrow, that is backward. So released, we want the robot to run at speed 0. Run backward at speed 0. So from the drop down menu again, our events palette, released, right arrow, go to your robots. We want the robots to turn right at speed 0. So take note, for every press, there's a release, right? Events, release. Then we do for the left arrow. When it is released, our robots turn left. I'm just noting this error. Please, let's turn left, right? So let's make sure it corresponds. Up, up, forward, and forward. Let's look at your screen. Make sure it corresponds, right? So I'm going to minimize this. Going to minimize this. Click on the green flag. Green means go. Then our arrow keys. So I'm moving my robot. I'm going forward. That is my up arrow. You can try that as well. Going backward, to the left, to the right. We can also see different angles of the robot when we click on this camera. Yes, so we can move. So our robot is moving, going to the back, going forward. Let's switch the angle. Yes, this is better, right? So we want to make this more colorful. We want to give the robot lights. So we go to our robots palette. I'm already there. Select set LED on board, this block. Let's snip it under it. So forward is go. Let's click the green. Let's change it to 255. That means the color is going to be a bit bright. For the down, that's back. Should we try red? Let's try red. Let's do 255. And for right, let's try blue. That's going to be fun, right? Blue, let's do 60. Right and left, let's just do blue at 60. So we're going to repeat this process for our release keys. But we're just going to leave it as 0, right? We don't even need to bring the blocks. But let's make them correspond. Let's just bring it. I'm going to minimize it again. Click on my green flag, moving. So as I'm moving forward, backward, you can see the color, the intensity of the color, right? So this is the task we have achieved today. We used our arrow keys. We programmed our arrow keys to make the virtual robot move. This is done through the use of sensors. So in our next class, we are going to talk more on sensors. Bye.